Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we should be in the standard photo mode, like here. So all we have to do is to enter the settings in the right upper corner, and now we have to find the countdown, which is called countdown duration in this device. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option, it will be immediately applied, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay. So this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off completely. Just enter the settings, countdown duration, and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.